And, so I blew out one wall, so we could squeeze everything in there. Um, and Patricia, came to me and I said, so what are you going to be doing? And she said, well, if I'm going to cook for people, I'm going to cook this certain way. And so, she said, we're going to use organic ingredients, as much as possible. We're going to, I'm going to, bake this, but I'm not going to bake it, all the time, 'cause she does get bored of doing the same thing over and over again. Me, I can make cinnamon rolls every Saturday, and I'm happy to make them, and it's fine with me. Patricia just isn't that way, but she made a decision early on that if she was going to bake food for other people, she was going to make the absolute best food she could.
She's going to do it right.
She was going to do it right, which meant more than just doing it right. You know from certain standpoints, it was the ingredients that we were going to use. Were going to be just the best that we could find, and so that's what we've done. Everything from using our pork and beef for some of the dishes to when we go and shop, she buys, just as much organic stuff as possible, and it really does make a difference. And so it's been really fantastic, and people appreciate, the effort that she goes through, to make meals for them and to create, treats for them, because you really can taste it.